Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this very natural beach makeup. Beachy, natural makeup, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I'm wearing a shirt this whole video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe because I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, so subscribe. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this natural makeup for the beach or just, in general, then just keep on watching. So I'm just putting these in my hair first to get it out of my face. First product I'm using is this NYX liquid illuminator because it's going to make my skin look super glowy. I'm just going to put that on the back of my beauty blender and just put that like on the high points of my face and then just like put it everywhere. Now that you're looking like a glazed donut, I'm going to keep it pretty lightweight on my face today with the coverage just because, when you're at the beach you don't want too much on your face because you look cakey and nobody wants that. I mean, I don't wear makeup to the beach, but, some people like to, and if I did, this is what I would wear. So I'm just going to be taking some concealer, not a lot, and just putting it under my eyes, right where the dark circles are. Because I just, I can't get rid of them. And a tiny bit around my nose and on my chin. Okay, and next I'm just going to be taking my Kat Von D translucent powder, just because it's really lightweight and it won't make anything cakey. I'm just going to be putting that where I concealed, so just like here. I'm not going to be baking with it either. Next, I'm just going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just bronzing up my face because, you're going to be getting tan, so why not look tan when you're already there? And I'm just going to be putting that where the sun, will naturally hit your face. So on my cheekbones, on my temples, and on my nose as well. And then I'm just going to be taking the tiniest bit of contour and just putting it here under my cheekbones just to make it look like my face is more sculptured than it is. Sculptured. I don't know. Then a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of bronzer in my crease just to even my face and my eyes out. You don't have to do this. I'm also going to put a tiny bit under my eyes, very close to my lash line. You can add more highlighter if you want, but I think that looks natural, and I think that adding a powder highlighter over top of it would make it look, powdery, and it would make it look like you had makeup on, and that's kind of what you want to avoid. Next, I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. And to finish it off, I personally would not wear mascara to the beach, and if I did, it would be waterproof. But I'm not going to the beach right now, so I'm just going to put on this mascara, and I'm just going to put it on my top eyelashes. And it's L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. This is my favorite mascara ever. I'm just going to add it just a touch on the bottom lashes too. And then, you want your makeup to last all day. So I'm going to be setting my face with this NYX setting spray.